right, so what makes Glenshaw Auto different, in my opinion, is the overall customer experience. As I stated before about, a family environment for our employees, it's kind of the same with the customer. It's a very personal experience.
What makes us different is our customer service. We provide, pick up and drop off of your car if you'd like that.
As we're dropping the cars off, we get to say hi to our customers and get to know them.
We care about the vehicle and the person, We want to get the lifespan out of the vehicle, so we try to explain the best that we can how to maintain the vehicle to make it last the longest.
I think the Auto Vitals platform that we use to keep our customers in touch with what's going on in their vehicle is probably the most important and unique thing about Glenshaw Auto Service. So the technicians use iPads to generate a report for the customers, taking photographs and videos of their vehicle, and it breaks everything down into a nice red, yellow, green. So stuff that's immediately needing attention, stuff that they can kind of probably do today, but if it's not within the budget or whatnot, they can kind of hold off and do it next time, so like suggested maintenance, and then stuff that's good for the vehicle. So, everything is fine, good to go, green, checked over, safe, no service needed.